So hi guys, today we are doing a challenge, but I just want to say that we are not, we are in South Africa, but we are Africans, means I can speak English, right? But I can speak English. But this is a channel to subscribe, our comments and likes to do are my. Your turn, Kiara. My turn. Okay, guys. How are Kiara? We're gonna do a challenge. So it's Karia's turn. Hello, guys. Go, Karia. Wow, wow. Roll the boat, the body, the arrow. Almost. Almost. Sa kapit bilang Hi, Karia. So, Kiara turn. Hi, guys. My name is Sharon, and we're gonna do a channel. Woohoo! Okay. Woohoo! Okay. Oh, got it. Okay. The last one is. Can you see me, Marco? Wow, wow, bro. Roll the boat. Up. Up, Vicky. Mark, hold it, take stop. Good, so it will at this. Okay, bye guys, and that is ready. See you Friday. Okay, you see me, what Friday? Okay guys, bye. But subscribe to my channel. It's a channel today because we just do it for fun today. But it's fun to us, but subscribe and like to my comments and everything and below the comments. Please, this is my friends. My name is Alia, her name is Kari, and her name is Kiara Kinza, Alia 14, and Kari September. So we are from South Africa. Bye, say bye. Bye, bye. Guys, we see you and